Today I'll show you a quick demo of how you can forward a local endpoint to your Webhook.site URL via our command line interface. So first let's install the CLI via npm. Next, let's run our local web server, and in this case it's just a Python web server that displays files in this directory. So to forward this web server to our URL, we can just copy this command here and change the target to adjust it to our local server. And now we can just run this. Next, to see if it works, we can copy the subdomain format of our URL. And this is helpful so relative paths work. All right, and we can see that our request came in here and it's showing our directory listing. So I can actually just go ahead and click on these. And they're just forwarded to my local Python server here. So that's it. That's all I have. So thanks for watching.